Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with BTCC this month to offer you an amazing 10% deposit bonus of any size when you deposit above $500 on their platform. For example, you could deposit 10k and get a 1k bonus totally for free, which is absolutely insane. Obviously you can do the maths on any deposits above that. Link is below in the description. Make sure you sign up and get involved today. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a cryptocurrency project that is often talked about but maybe not fully understood. Polygon. You've probably heard the name, but what exactly is it and why is it potentially so important? That's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. Polygon, formerly known as Matic network, is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. But what does that mean? Essentially, Polygon is designed to address the scalability issues faced by the Ethereum network, allowing it to process more transactions per second, reduce gas fees, and improve user experience. Polygon operates as a sidechain to Ethereum, enabling developers to build scalable decentralized applications or dApps quickly and efficiently. It utilizes a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, ensuring security and high transaction speed. Scalability. Polygon can process thousands of transactions per second, making it an ideal solution for high-frequency solutions. Security. As a layer 2 solution, Polygon inherits the security of the Ethereum network whilst providing faster and cheaper transactions. Flexibility. Polygon supports various scaling solutions, including Plasma, optimistic rollups, Zcash rollups, and much more, giving developers the freedom to choose the best fit for their projects. And interoperability. Polygon enables seamless communication between different blockchain networks, allowing for a truly interconnected decentralized ecosystem. Polygon is home to numerous successful projects, including Aave, a popular decentralized lending platform, Curve, a decentralized exchange for stablecoins which was recently disbanded, SushiSwap, a decentralized exchange for token swaps, and Decentraland, a virtual reality platform powered by the Ethereum blockchain. Polygon's native token, Matic, is used for staking, transaction fees, and governance within the ecosystem. If you're interested in investing in Polygon, you can buy Matic tokens on various cryptocurrency exchanges. Polygon is an exciting project that aims to revolutionize the blockchain industry. By addressing the scalability issues of Ethereum, it opens up a world of possibilities for decentralized applications, so keep an eye on Polygon as it continues to shape the future of cryptocurrency. What are your thoughts on Polygon? Are you excited about its real-world use cases? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more crypto deep dives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up to BTCC to get your free 10% deposit bonus and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.